Jai Sriman As and how in the battlefield, if the bow and arrows all are broke down and with the attack of the enemies, as and how the bow broke and pieces into pieces and fell on the floor in the battlefield, as and how that looks, so also Ayodhya is looking like that. Bhumau banaihi vinishkrutam patitam jyami vayudhavat. That kind of Ayodhya now Bharata is entering into. As and how if the horse is not useful, horse cannot be used at all as a chariot or as a vehicle or as a vehicle in the battlefield. So also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering into. Sushkatoyam. As and how if there is no water, all the water is dried in the well. As and how that looks, so also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering into. Sokena Gatrayashtim Abhushanam. If someone cries for so long, crying and gets so much depressed and weak, as and how that person looks, so also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering into. When there is a rainy season, even in the mid-noon, even after sun reaches to the center of the sky, but sun rays are not coming down to the earth because the cloud is covering all the rays of sun. So also like that, as and how the covered rays and as and how the sun is not seen, the cloud is covering sun. So also this Ayodhya looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering into. Now Bharata is saying to Saradhi Sumantra, "O Saradhi, what happened to all the auspicious sounds in our Ayodhya? Why I am not listening to those auspicious sounds in our Ayodhya? O Saradhi, why there are no fragrances coming to my nose? Why in our Ayodhya there is nobody is wearing any kind of garlands or any kind of fragranceful flowers or any kind of perfumes? Why I am not getting that kind of perfume smell? O Saradhi, what happened to our Ayodhya? O Saradhi, I don't see any kind of agarbatti smoke and the perfume smoke anywhere in our Ayodhya. Yana pravara ghoshascha. What happened to the sound when all the vehicles are going here and there? Where is that sound in our Ayodhya? O Saradhi, snigdhascha hayanisvanaha. When horses are running here and there, what happened to that kind of sound in our Ayodhya? I don't hear that kind of sound anymore, Saradhi. O Saradhi, what happened to the sound coming from all the elephants which are going here and there in our Ayodhya? I don't see that, I don't hear that kind of sound anymore in our Ayodhya. O Saradhi, na idanim shruyate Rame vivasite. Because Rama left Ayodhya, Ayodhya completely got paused. O Saradhi, gatehi Rame. After Rama left, people stopped decorating themselves. People stopped dressing up themselves. Even young children also stopped dressing them. O Saradhi, gatehi Rame. After Rama left Ayodhya, nobody wearing any kind of fragrances, any kind of flowers or any kind of ornaments. Gatehi Rame. O Saradhi, after Rama left, now Utsavaha sampravartante. Nobody celebrating any kind of festival in this Ayodhya. It looks like Ho Saradhi Rama Sokardhite Prade. With Rama Sokam, with the grief that Rama left us, this Ayodhya is completely getting crushed and tortured with that kind of grief. I do see our Ayodhya like that. Ho Saradhi Sahanunam Mama Bhratra. Because of my Rama, because Rama left Ayodhya, along with Rama, all the glow of Ayodhya is also gone. Along with Rama, all the greatness of Ayodhya is also gone. Ho Saradhi Kadanu Kalume Bhrata Mahotsavaiva Gataha. When am I going to see Rama coming back with a great pomp and show into our Ayodhya, Saradhi? Like that, Bharata, while entering into Ayodhya, unable to see the state, the depressed state of Ayodhya, he is crying, he is sharing he is expressing his grief to his Saradhi Sumantra. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.